friends, it's Miss Rebecca from Avon Co-op. I have a visitor with me today. Trish is here from the Stratford Public Library. Everyone say hi to Trish. Hi, Trish.
Everybody, it's great to see you.
Today, Trish and I thought maybe we could do a song about a bear and then maybe a story about a bear. Would you like that? I thought you would. All right, Trish, I think we should go on a bear hunt. What do you think?
I would love to go on a bear hunt with all of our friends. Are you ready?
I am.
Let's go. Let's go on a bear hunt.
Let's go on a bear hunt.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to find a big one.
We're going to find a big one.
I am not scared.
I'm not scared.
Nice day.
Nice day.
Sure is.
Sure is.
And look at all the pretty flowers.
Look at all the pretty flowers.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Tall grass.
Tall grass.
We can't go over it.
We can't go over it.
We can't go under it.
We can't go under it.
We'll have to go through it.
We'll have to go through it.
Okay, let's go on a bear hunt.
Let's go on a bear hunt.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to find a big one.
We're gonna find a big one.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
Nice day.
Nice day.
Sure is.
Sure is.
Look at all the pretty flowers.
Look at all the pretty flowers.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Deep mud.
Deep mud.
We can't go over it.
We can't go over it.
We can't go under it.
We can't go under it.
We'll have to go through it.
We'll have to go through it.
Did you bring some rubber boots, Miss Rebecca?
I have my rubber boots. I hope you have yours, Trish.
We're good. Let's go.
Okay. Phew.
Let's go on a bear hunt.
Let's go on a bear hunt.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to find a big one.
We're gonna find a big one.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
Nice day.
Nice day.
There is.
Sure is.
Look at all the pretty flowers.
Look at all the pretty flowers.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Deep water.
Deep water.
We can't go over it.
We can't go over it.
We can't go under it.
We can't go under it.
We'll have to swim through it.
We'll have to swim through it.
Would you like to swim, Miss Rebecca?
Only if you'll come with me, Trish.
Let's go swimming.
Okay.
Splashing you.
I'm splashing you.
Let's go on a bear hunt.
Let's go on a bear hunt.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to find a big one.
We're gonna find a big one.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Dark cave.
Dark cave.
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh.
Go over it.
We can't go over it.
We can't go under it.
We can't go under it.
We'll have to go in it.
Oh, we're gonna go in it.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Did you bring a flashlight with you?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go. Let's go on a bear hunt.
Let's go on a bear hunt.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna find a big one.
We're gonna find a big one.
I'm not scared.
I'm scared too.
Maybe a little bit.
Just a little. I'm only a little scared.
Oh, I hear something in the corner.
Me too.
I see something in
Run, 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 run. Swish, 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 swish. Run, 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 run. Slam the door. Lock it.
Get home.
Oh, safe at last. Oh my goodness. Well, I wouldn't want to go on a bear hunt with anyone but you, Trish.
It was fun. Do you think our friends were scared at home too?
I don't know. I was scared in that cave.
It was pretty scary. I like bears. Do you like bears?
I like bears too.
What's your favorite color of bear, Miss Rebecca?
Oh, definitely brown bears.
Do you like brown bears?
I like brown bears. Do you know that story, Trish?
I do know that story, Miss Rebecca.
I think we should do that story for the friends.
I think that's a great idea.
All right.
All right.
Here we go.
Brown bear, what do you see?
I see a red bird looking at me.
Red bird, what do you see?
I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Yellow duck, what do you see?
I see a blue horse looking at me.
Blue horse, what do you see?
I see a green frog looking at me.
Green frog, what do you see?
I see a purple cat looking at me.
Purple cat, what do you see?
I see a white dog looking at me.
White dog, what do you see?
I see a black sheep looking at me.
Black sheep, what do you see?
I see a goldfish looking at me.
Goldfish, what do you see?
I see a teacher looking at me.
Teacher, what do you see?
I see children looking at me.
Children, what do you see?
We see a goldfish, a black sheep, a white dog, a purple cat, a green frog, a blue horse, a yellow duck, a red bird, and a brown bear looking at us. That's what we see.
That's awesome.
This was so much fun, Trish. Thank you so much for joining us. I know that the Avon Co-op children are going to be so excited to see you again. They love when you joined for our Magdalena. They love that. So thank you so much.
Wishing that everyone stays home and healthy and have a great day, everyone.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for joining us.